Bethuna ku-Friday. It's been a long week and uninzi lethu sifuna uphola nesiphuzo in hand. Whether eso siphuzo yikofu, yiCoke okanye into enee-bubbles, uyaqonda, into ezokunika umfutho. The streets were blazing this week. Usima and her boss, uMacG, they came out and told isitori sabo that ngemini ethile they bumped, MacG bumped into Usima, and then they went out to hang out for drinks at a club. And people are saying, nazi crosser boundaries zoboso and employee. Why were you guys after sunset hanging out at the club over drinks? Son. Kaloku boss no employee, they need to know into yobana ii-boundaries zabo ziqala phi ziphele phi. Now, if you found yourself in this situation, today Friday, boss wakho says, listen man, after work, let's just go and hang out at the club and have a few drinks. Would you say yes, or would you politely decline the offer? And what would be your reason for saying, sure, let's go? Or saying, aye boss, no thanks, ndicela uthatha i-rain check wethu, ndiyadecline. Hleze ubhoso wakho is a young exec who does not take himself too seriously. Uyaqonda? Ubhoso wakho, he or she knows how to work hard. Uyaqonda? Ixesha losibana lixesha losibana, and how to play. Uyaqonda? Xa kufanelekile, ngubhoso onjalo nje, work hard, play hard. And akana-stress sophuza wethu nani as abantu abaqashileyo. Mhlawumbi ubhosi wakho ngulo mntu onjalo nje, uyaqonda, ngomntu uptight. Ithini into? What would you do kule situ? Uyaqonda? The streets were really blazing. There's a group of people that are saying, listen, akho nto irongo with hanging out nobhosi wakho, nizipholele neziphuzo at the club. Others are saying, hayi mabethunana kaloku, loo nto leyo iyakwazi ureyisa ii-suspicions, because why inguwe wedwa nobhoso? If bekunabanye abantu ibizoba ngcono, ezinye ii-colleagues zakho, uyaqonda, nihenge out as colleagues, but just the two of you at the club, hayi mabethunana. Abanye bathi ke ngoku, kaloku nina ningabantu abanee-low morals, just 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 drinks nina senze izinto eziphuma esiporweni. If you know how to handle yourself well after a few drinks, akho kwanto irongo. Nina just a few drinks senifuna anisena-boundaries, anisena-morals nina. That's why you would not be found ecangobhosi nedrink. Abanye bathi no, thina singabantu abanee-boundaries, and we know that ii-boundaries they build ii-relationships. Akho need uba sibe sihanga out noobhoso at the club after sunset. Sinazo ii-friends zethu to do that with. Eyasemsebenzini nobhoso iphelele emsebenzini into yam nobhoso. Strictly work-based. Are you the kind of person who's like, listen, I'm here to work, I don't socialize with my colleagues unless it's compulsory? Otherwise, if not, then mina. Work is work. Colleagues are people I work with. I'm polite with them, but not overly friendly. Okay, are you the kind of person who's like, listen, if my colleagues are going to hang out a weekend after work, socializing ntontoni with isiphuzo, I'm in. Okanye are you the kind of person who's like, listen, I don't do that mna. I work at work. I play with my friends. If it's a team building thing, lapho zikhona iziphuzo, then we'll build the team while having iziphuzo. Angipholi nama-colleagues neziphuzo if I don't have to. Like ithini into yakho? Because also I think putting that into consideration or taking that into consideration does matter in this conversation. Because if when are you saying, listen, I don't hang out with my colleagues after work, I'm not the kind of person. You're not going to find me at a club with the colleagues. If we're having a work function thing, then in the corner. If it's people just hanging out for drinks after work, you count me out. You know, what kind of relationships do you have with my colleagues are? Because if you're that kind of person who's like, why should I why should I hang out with colleagues with these phuzo? Ngiphola nabangani bami ngesiphuzo, not colleagues. Because maybe Usima no boso wakhe, they do hang out, they are friendly with each other, and there was absolutely nothing wrong. There were no lines or boundaries that were crossed. These are people who usually hang out in these kinds of settings, and so there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. But tell me what your take is on this. Socializer with my colleagues akho. Would you socialize at the club just when no boss? Okanye you feel like that is definitely crossing boundaries. Boundaries are meant to build all kinds of relationships with your colleagues when you keep your distance. You work after work, no. Awuyenzi loo nto leyo of ukudlala nee-colleagues. Uyaphangela nabo, into yenu iqala emsebenzini, iphela emsebenzini, team building things, okay, sure. So I think as we're having this conversation, your work environments, they differ. As in your work environments where it's just cool, people hang out, people drink, you know what I mean? Akho nto ibitheni. Ezinye sana sana awusoze ubhaqwe noba kuphi noba xa bekutheni hanging out unless you must. If ayo must, then awusoze ufumaneke apho. So I just wanted to know what your thoughts are on this. Would you do it? Would you politely decline? If you do it, why? If you're politely declining, why? Share with us.